Thank you, Denise. And while that was going on, you saw the ladies coming across Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in white. And truth be told, I think everyone wants to see who will make the team. But I would think that probably 90% of the grandstand came to see Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Bruce.
Oh, certainly. There's a big support, big love for Shelly-Ann. And to be doing what she's doing at this age and stage is phenomenal. But guess what? Shelly-Ann has been phenomenal since the start. I mean, in 2008, she was the youngest in the 100-meter final at this very track. And she was expected not to make the team. And she did it in 2008. There's some who could say at this stage, oh, maybe she's not expected to make it. She always just finds a way. She delivers.
Yep. You saw the twins. I told the story already that I have twin grandkids. And if I see them together, I can kind of work out who is who. But if I see one, my daughter has to say, Daddy, that's Isaiah. Bruce, what about the twins? Can you look at them and tell one by one, or when you see them together?
I know them well, and what's amazing is their personalities are quite different. They love each other, but different personalities, very easy to tell them apart.
I think it was the races we were doing, and I asked Spencer, and Spencer said, well, Tia is in lane 2. And that's how he knew who she was. So who is who there, Bruce?
All right, so Tia is in 4 to the right of the screen, and Tina is in 5 to the left of the screen.
So Tia has the yellow. It looks like yellow to me, and the white top is Tina.
Right.
Well, there you go. Well, the hairstyle may have given them away, but...
Yeah, but this is like a training group final, though. And I'm talking about Sprint Tech in 1 and 2 with both Ashanti Moore and Jodean Williams. They train together every day. Maurice Wilson, big shout out to you. And then Alana Reid, I guess she's kind of the only lone wolf in this race, because Shelly-Ann, Tia, Tina, Shericka, and Janelle all at some point were with MVP. And Shelly-Ann and Shericka certainly trained together for years and years. And currently, so you have 2 from Sprint Tech, 2 from Nike, though Alana and Shelly-Ann don't train with each other, and 4 from MVP. And these 4 at MVP, literally, this is not figurative, train together every day, do block starts together every day, race with each other every single day.
So I wonder if we could bring all 8 to Tokyo.
Well, the organizers have almost caught back up, because the last race should go off at 9:58. It is now 9:58, and it's the second to last race, as you guys would always say, the penultimate. More Williams, Fraser-Pryce, Tia, Tina, Shericka, Alana, and Janelle. And you could see MVP. 4 MVP athletes in the race, 1 in the box. That makes 5.
And I think it also speaks to the contribution of these clubs to Jamaican track and field, and really just how important they are. Sprint Tech, MVP, racers, but in this particular event, MVP and Sprint Tech. And it shouldn't be understated or underestimated either, in terms of how these clubs contribute to Jamaican track.
All right, let's go again. Donald, 1, 2, 3 in that order.
Shericka Jackson, twin turbos after.
No, which twin come in second?
I think Tina will beat her sister.
Bruce?
Looking just raw numbers, it's Tia, Tina, Shericka.
1, 2, 3?
Yeah, that's just looking at the raw numbers.
But?
The but is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has never not made a team on this track since 2008. Never.
Yeah, well, I said earlier, one of the twins first across the line. And then
one of the twins
Shericka,
third.
and then one of the twins third. So they'll be twinning Shericka this season.
Jody. Jody's in the box with us.
So it's a lot of fireworks expected. Alana Reid, I'd say close to her best. We have not seen her back at her 10.92 shape at all, Donald. And there she is. She knows that she ran a nice 11.02 season best. She feels she is... Go ahead.
Yeah, they're just saying that the reigning world under 20
champion from last year.
Yeah, from last year.
So she's like, hey, I'm back at 11.02. I'm ready for sub 11.
Hussein made an interesting point, and he said here, even though it's nice to be the national champion, you really just want to qualify for the world championship. So I think anyone in 1, 2, 3 would be happy with that. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Janelle Smith, two girls set PBs to get here, Janelle Smith being one of them, the other being Tina Clayton, 11:03. The last time she ran 11:04, 2019, when she made it to the finals, let me emphasize, finals of the World Championships in 2019.
And Bruce, you mentioned Janelle there. Of course, Janelle and Shelley and Fraser-Price came through under the tutelage of Michael Carr at Woolmers. Shouldn't be understated either.
Brilliant point.
So I was going to say 2 from Woolmers,
2 from Edwin Allen, Vertec, Heidel,
and...
No, 2 from Heidel, Ashanti Moore and Alana Reid.
So it's 2 from Woolmers, 2 from Edwin Allen, 2 from Heidel, and the other 2?
I think Jodean is from St. Mary High.
Yes, St. Mary.
And Shericka.
Yeah,
very
technical.
Right, there you go.
But only Neville Bell would put us under that. When we're thinking of the athlete's current status, I have to go back to high school days.
People like to hear that, though.
No, great point. Shericka is Donald's favorite, and I have to tell you, she is the defending champion. She's also the defending silver medalist from the last World Championships.
In Budapest,
But she's a 200 national champion, isn't she?
Yeah,
yes, she is.
World champion.
World champion, twice world champion at 200 meters. So, a lot. This is talent, this is quality. I mean, you could argue that other ladies could have made it, but nobody was given a blight to get into this final.
They're almost ready. The grandstand I think will welcome every single one of these athletes, give them a nice round of applause. See, everyone, they've started to stand up. Folks, if you sit, you will see the race. And that's Shelley's crew in the white tops there. And I guess she 4:27 in lane 1, Ashanti Moore from Sprintec.
Formerly of Heidel Tech left to Neville Bell, 11:08, her fastest this year.
Jodean Williams from Sprintec in 2.
11:01 at her best. Very fast coming into this final, as 200 meters final appearances at the NACAC level.
Guess who is in lane 3? Listen to this, folks. This is Shelly Ann Fraser-Price, Nike.
10.61. 10.61 at her best. The greatest of all time. She knows how to deliver every single time. Focused. Shelly Ann Fraser-Price.
Listen to that, folks. This is Tia Clayton, MVP.
Tia Clayton, 10.86 seconds personal best. MVP Track Club, was in the Olympics in Paris last year, finished 7th in that race. A World Under 24x1 gold medalist 2 times.
I wonder what she said to her sister when they were walking over. This is Tina in lane 5, MVP.
Twice the under 20 champion. Her personal best was 10.95 today. It is now 10.93. She is at her very best.
This is Shericka Jackson, MVP, lane 6.
Shericka Jackson, 10.65 seconds at her best, the defending champion in this race. 2 times a World Championship, 200 meters gold medalist. She's very quick. She has run her first sub-11 time this season, comes in at 10.94. My favorite to win.
What might Alana Reid be thinking here from Nike in lane 7?
Probably most famous for winning the World Juniors last year, also being the first Jamaican to go sub-11 at Champs. She is still our reigning national junior record holder, 10.92.
Janelle Smith, MVP, lane 8.
What better time to get your personal best than in the semi-finals, 11:03. She'll be hoping to go sub-11 in this race. Janelle Smith, the Woolmerian, has won medals at the Global Championships as well.
Ashanti Moore in lane 1, Jodean Williams in lane 2, Shelly Ann Fraser-Price in lane 3, Tia Clayton in lane 4, Tina Clayton in lane 5, Shericka Jackson in lane 6, Alana Reid in lane 7, and Janelle Smith in lane 8. The stadium will go very quiet for the start of this race.
Quite a sumptuous final awaits the senior women's 100 meters. The defending champion Shericka Jackson lines up in this one in lane 6. Tia Clayton, who was second last year, she'll be going from lane 4. Fraser-Price, third last year, she runs from lane 3. Fraser-Price, her final run at the National Senior Championships. Her first title came all the way back in 2008. She heads to her blocks. Multiple Olympic and world champion. Will we see a changing of the guards this evening? Tina and Tia. Tia in 4, Tina in 5. Set position. Bang out quickly. Fraser Price is out well. So too Tina Clayton. Tia Clayton comes forward. So too does Shericka Jackson. Tia pulls up. Tina's still there. Tina Clayton. Shericka Jackson and Shelly and Fraser Price comes through for third and makes the World Championship team. Tina Clayton gets the win this evening as her sister Tia went down. And indeed, what a final we had here this evening. We await the final.
Tina Clayton has run back to her sister Tia,
yes,
who was unable to finish.
And we saw Tia
10:81, a new personal best
massive
for Tina Clayton.
A massive personal best.
Win legal 0.1. Shericka Jackson 10:88. And we said it before the before the race started. Shelly Ann Fraser Price always finds a way to make the team. 10:91.
10:91 for Fraser Price.
Season's best for her as well. Wow. Well, a reversal of what I thought in a way. Tina wins ahead of Shericka.
Shelly and Fraser Price making her 8th World Championship team. And to run the 100 meters as we look back at the replay.
Brilliant start. Shelly Ann, I think, got the best start of all. At this point, Tina is leading, but Tia looks like she's going to come forward. Shelly Ann knows she has to be in the top 3. Shericka Jackson stepping well. Tia pulls up at this point. Tina keeps going. Shelly Ann is coming. Shericka gets past Shelly Ann Fraser Price. But Shelly Ann Fraser Price always makes the team. Here it is. We're going to get a close-up shot of Tia pulling up right there. Tina keeps going. Shericka comes. But Tina Clayton is now, again, the fastest of the Clayton twins at 10:81.
And securing her first national senior title as well. Tina Clayton. What a race that was.
Changing of the guard might be.
Indeed it was. Indeed it is.
And Shelly Ann Fraser Price is marshaled by media personnel locally and overseas as she ends her time competitively in Jamaica. Tina Clayton 10:81 personal best. Shericka Jackson a season's best of 10:88. Shelly Ann Fraser Price season's best 10:91. Jodean Williams almost getting a new PB 11:02. Janelle Smith 11:06, very fast for her. Alana Reid 11:13, Ashanti Moore 11:19, and unfortunately Tia Clayton pulled up. She had the tape, the kinesio tape on her right hamstring, as Bruce pointed out in the semi-finals. She's unable to finish, but I'm sure that she's happy for her sister Tina Clayton, the new national champion.
10:81, that's like super speed, especially when we consider that there was no wind. She had no wind aiding her. 0.1 is the wind reading. That is amazing running. 10:95 was her personal best set a couple 3-4 years ago. She then moved forward tonight, this evening at 10:93, and now she has jumped ahead to 10:81.
And interestingly as well, Bruce, only 2 ladies are faster than her now this season. Melissa Jefferson Wooden with her 10:73, and the defending Olympic champion Julian Alfred at 10:75.
So the 10:81 puts Tina at number 3, and the men are about to enter.
Wow.
Neville asked Jermaine. My response is that since 2008, Shelly Ann has always found a way to make the team.
Doubt her at your own risk, right?
And even before that, 2007, she also made the
for the relay
team for the relays.
Yep.
So was a part of that team too. So indeed, Bruce, you are super correct where that is concerned.
1080.
And we're here tonight because of that. And I want to give a big shout out to the team, that has been there and really encouraging me. My husband, of course, don't know what I would do without him, and my coach and team. I'm just grateful to be able to be here tonight, finishing healthy, and being on the team to Tokyo. So I'm really, really grateful for that.
An almost full grandstand, and Usain Bolt is here tonight to celebrate and support you. What does that support mean for you?
It means a lot. For me, it has been a journey, and I know that for Jamaica, we have so many athletes that can represent this country, and to be able to have athletes that have retired to come back and to support what your vision and your dream is really wonderful. And shout out to Usain and the whole grandstand and everyone that's here tonight supporting me. Big up Waterhouse always. And thank you guys so much for your love. It was felt. I tried not to be too emotional and focus on my race, but I felt your love and I felt your support, and I'm truly grateful for it.
You promised that there will be something special in Tokyo, Shelly. But when you look back on your race, what were the good parts and what are the parts that you think you need to work on?
There's a lot to work on, I guess, especially when it comes to race sharpness. I haven't been racing as much, and we are going to fix that. It's a long season. So, the first step and the first hurdle has been cleared, and that's making the team and giving myself an opportunity to go to Tokyo and to have a great run. So for me, it's just really a motivation to all our athletes that are here tonight and the ones to come, that, the stage is yours, dreams are yours, just keep working, keep dreaming, and one day you'll get there.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh my God, guys, I cried watching this supersonic race 100 meter at National Championships title 2025 in Kingston, Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Please like the video. Kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, I lack words. My love to these Jamaican queens and Jamaican athletes as a whole is abundant. I can't lie, you guys. This is absolutely pure talent, quality, hard work, perseverance, and blessing from our Almighty God. Guys, Jamaicans are the best worldwide in sprinting, track, and field event. And I know you will all agree with me at the comment section down below here. Tell me your thoughts, guys, because I don't see any other country matching the strength and energy with these Jamaican queens. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your precious time. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Guys, you people, you are amazing. I love you so much because you are the people who have made me where I am today. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly consider doing so, because I have so many people that are watching my videos and they don't subscribe. Subscribe, it's free of charge. Support this family. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. And guys, blessings. Keep tuned here. Keep it rocked, because I'm bringing you more events as they happen. Bye bye for now. Thanks.